my name is Vaigish. Today I'm going to talk about IT and Pbt. My first chapter is Introduction to Network Architecture. Computer network architecture is defined as the physical and logical design of the software, hardware, protocols and media of the transmission of data. Simply, we can say that how computers are organized and how tasks are allocated to the computer. There are two types of network architectures. What is network? A network is a collection of computer servers, mainframes, network devices or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. Types of network: local area network, wireless local area network, wide area network. Quality of service. Quality of service (QoS) is the description of measurement of the overall performance of the service, such as telephony or computer network or cloud computing service, particularly the performance seen by the users of the network. To quantitatively measure quality of the service, several related aspects of the network's service are often considered, such as packet loss, bit rate, throughput, transmission delay, jitter, and so on. Comment structure. The general syntax for comment is a comment followed by any appropriate keywords and arguments. Some comments include a subset of keywords and arguments that provide additional functionality. Comments are used to execute an action, and the keywords are used to identify where or how to execute the command. The comment is the initial word or word entered in command line following the prompt. Hotkeys and shortcuts. In computing, a keyboard shortcut is a series of one or several keys that invoke a software program to perform a pre-programmed action. This action may be part of the standard functionality of the operating system or application program, or it may have been written by the user in scripting language. Here are some of the examples. Control and A moves to the beginning of the line. Control and Z exits configuration mode and turns to the user execute. Control plus C exit the configuration mode or abort the current command. Control Shift 6 allow the user to interrupt an iOS process such as P. Next, I'm going to pass to ARUL, who is the next presenter for chapter 2.
Hi, my name is ARUL from class DT2E. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the chapter 2 from our Pbt assessment, which is physical and logical device. Okay, the physical topology, first of all, is the physical topology. The physical topology usually refers to the interconnected structure of a local area network, or also called LAN. The method employed to connect the physical devices on the network with cables, and also the type of cables used, and like other all consecutive physical topology. Okay, not only that, this contrast also means it connects with the logical topology, which describes the network's media signal performance and also how it exchanges the device data. Secondly is the logical topology. Logical topology is the arrangement of a device on a computer network and also how they communicate with one another. This logical topology describes how signals act on the internet. Okay, and there are three types of cables. The first one is called a console cable or console. Okay, this cable is usually used to view the network's console from a PC. It's like one end of the first end of the cable is connected to a console port. The other one is connected through a RS232 cable on a PC or a laptop. Okay, the second type of cable is the copper straight through. This is a standard Ethernet cable which is used to connect two devices that usually operates in different layers of a OSI model. For example, like to a hub, from a hub to a router, or a switch to PC. It's like that usually. This this copper straight through cable is usually pretty fast. Which usually used by internet, fast internet or gigabyte internet port types. The third one is the copper crossover. Okay. This is also a Ethernet cable, which usually it also operates in the same OSI level, such as the hub to hub, PC to PC, PC to router, and PC to printer. It connects with that types of devices. Okay, this cable is used with Ethernet, fast internet, gigabit internet ports, because mostly these have the same connection and same type of ports. That's why. Okay, the thirdly is the data link layer protocols. Okay, the data link layer protocol or layer the data link layer or layer 2 is the second layer of 7 OSI models of a computer network. Okay, this protocol layer usually transfers data between adjacent network nodes in a wide area network, also known as WAN, or between the same local area network or LAN segment. The data link layer provides the functional and procedural means to transfer data between network entities and might provide the means to detect and possibly correct errors that may occur in the physical layer. Like it will correct any errors or anything mistakes which have in the which might possibly occur. Okay, the data link layer is usually concerned with the local delivery of frames between nodes and not on the same level of the network. Data link frames, as these protocol units are called, do not cross the boundaries of a local area network. Like these usually don't cross the boundaries, like it won't cross its limits to a LAN network. This and the inter-network routing and global addressing are higher level functions, allowing data link protocols to focus on local delivery. They address addressing and also media abbreviation. Okay, by doing this, the data link layer is analogous to a neighborhood traffic cop. Like it helps the neighborhood traffic cop to do their work. Okay, examples of data link protocols are such as local area networks, which are multi-node. The secondly is point-to-point protocol, PPP, HDLC, and ADCCP for point-to-point, which are dual node connections. Okay, in the Internet Protocol Suite or TCP/IP, the data link they usually functions the functions are contained within the link layer. The lowest model is assumed to be the independent from all the physical layer or physical model. Okay, the final one is the media access control or MAC. Okay, the media access control usually refers to the method used to allocate the use of the media among the computers and devices on the network. The media access control performs a function similar to the chairperson of a meeting. Like it is the main thing which takes responsibility to recognize each of its functions and speciality. Okay, this is from my topic chapter. Next, one of my friend will do it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is KISSHOCK Analaki Nagarajan from class DDT 2E. Today I'm gonna talk about ITN chapter 3, which is configuration report. Okay, first we have VLSM. VLSM stands for variable length subnet mask, where the subnet design uses more than one mask in the same network, which means more than one mask is used for different subnets of a single class A, B, C or network. It is used to increase the usability of subnets as they can be of variable size. It is also defined as the process of subnetting of a subnet. Next is a network switch, also called switching hub, bridging hub, officially MAC bridge. Is networking hardware that connects device on a computer network by using packet switching to receive and forward data to the destination device. A network switch is a multi-port network bridge that uses MAC addresses to forward data at the data link layer of the OSM model. Some switches can also forward data at the network layer 3, by additionally incorporating routing functionality. Such switches are commonly known as layer 3 switches or multi-layer switches. And the last one is ping. Ping is a computer network administration software utility used to test the reachability of a host on an IP protocol, IP network. It is available for virtually all operating systems that have networking capability, including most embedded network administration software. Thank you.
Welcome to our lecture and my classmates. My name is SUGEN from DDT2E. Now I'm going to present about the verification of configure report. Firstly, I want to introduce about console password. Console password is useful on a network on which multiple people have to access to the router. The person who are not authorized can't access the router. Thus, it prevents unauthorized person from accessing the router. Configure console password of a Cisco router. Enter global configuration mode of the Cisco router. Put the command line console 0 to the router. Provide the password by using password command. For example, if you want to put password Cisco, then the command will be password Cisco. At last, put the command login. Now I'm going to tell about how to setting the enable password. Use the enable password every time you move from user X mode privilege X mode. This password gives you security on your router because privilege X mode is where all the dangerous commands are located, including access to global configuration mode. To set an enable password, use the following command. This is before configure and this is after configure. The interface table turns green. Already put an IP address for all the devices. Print the default gateway for all the PCs. Finally, conclusion. In conclusion, a network is two or more computers connected together using a telecommunication system for the purpose of communication and sharing resources. Without having a network, companies will not be able to share resources and increase productivity more efficiently. The one network allows companies to use the internet over large areas. This is provide the company to have meetings overseas by video conferencing and sharing data over the network. As you can see, network have many benefits to the end user. Whether your network is wired or wireless, network are an important part of technology. Thank you.